falling. Why? It's because of gravity. Gravity, gravity, gravity. It is pulling everyone down. That's why we're sitting, we're standing, and not floating. It's because of gravity. Discovered by Galileo Galilei. One day, I saw a very, very, very beautiful girl. A very, very amazing girl. But I won't tell you the name. The girl was very pretty, was very amazing, and was very beautiful. And then I asked myself, why can't gravity make you fall for me? I was heartbroken. I was busted. And due to extreme sadness, Galileo Galilei died. It's because gravity didn't cooperate Galileo Galilei. So that's why the life and legacy of Galileo Galilei ended. Thank you. Galileo